There you go, that's Kumuzhi. And yep, that is what meets the eye. This is the Kumuzhi viewpoint. Definitely some kind of tourist attraction. And yeah, lovely, lovely stream of water. So Ashi has not been to Kumuzhi, and I thought I'd get her here. I've been here really, really long time ago. That was more like, feels like a decade ago. Again, find yourself a nice parking spot and just relax. இவ வந்ததில்ல, அதனால கூட்டிட்டு வந்தேன். Bird migration இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதனால தான். நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும் இங்கே, அநியாயத்துக்கு இருக்கும் பேர்ட்ஸ். ஆமாம், கரெக்ட். வின்டர் இஸ் செட்டிங் இன் இல்லையா. That's about it. This is the Kumuzhi lake, a really tiny water body. And yep, the most exciting part about the Kumuzhi lake is this particular section where everybody, again, like I said, if you were to just have a look at, I mean, yeah, it kind of pisses me. I mean, my mood just completely gets spoiled. So there are fellas who buy this big carton full of food and then they come here, they have their nice share of food and they leave all of this here. Why? Why do they do that? Why do you think people do this? Yeah, they brought the box. So why is it that they can't take the box along with them? Just think about this and maybe share your thoughts. Share your thoughts on the comment section. It'll be greatly useful for the rest of the community. You know, just so that people understand that this is horrendous. This just completely spoils the mood. And it's kind of important that you have an understanding of why you go about visiting these places. The whole idea of going out and seeing all these lovely places because it's pristine, it's clean, it's neat. No littering, nobody spoiled it. And that is why you want to go there. வீடியோல இருக்கு இப்போ. சும்மா கொஞ்சம் தூரம் போய் பார்க்கலாம். Okay, that's 2 up on the Himalayan. And that is what the bike is capable of. And this is where the folk Preload adjusters come into the picture. Wonderful. Fantastic. My suspension isn't bottoming out. Woo! Keeps going in and in and in. திருப்பி தான். ஏன்னா இது எவ்வளோ தூரம் போகணும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. நான் இவ்வளோ வச்சுட்டு ஓட்டிட்டு போக முடியாது. ரொம்ப வாங்க வாங்க பொறுமையாக அதோ இது உள்ளே போய் திருப்புங்க. இது உள்ள பொறுமையாக வாங்க, கவலை மட்டும் படாதீங்க.